I have been to Nepal 7 times, and yet it surprises me with its beauty, its splendor, and its best kept secret. Today, I am going to share one. Bandipur, a part in Nepal which doesn't feel like Nepal. Bandipur is the best place to visit in Nepal. Therefore, to know more about this Newari town of Nepal, make sure to remain glued to this video and hit the subscribe button for more travel and wellness videos. Bandipur still provides that rare experience of being discovered for the first time. And yet, this town is often overlooked by tourists visiting Nepal. A 2-hour drive from Pokhara unravels this Nepal best kept town, where no vehicle enters the village and rather gets parked a kilometer away. Bandipur was introduced to me in a casual conversation that I had with a friend in the Kathmandu city of Nepal. Do subscribe to my channel to know more about such hidden gems. Bandipur is a living museum of Newari culture. A beautifully preserved village with a line of traditional raw houses. Time seems to have stood still here, although it has taken a lot of effort to preserve this magic while developing the town as a destination. The buildings have been reborn as cafes and lodges, while the temples have been pulled back from the edge of ruins. With its attractive 18th century architecture, it has a distinctly European feel. While walking through Bandipur, you can't ignore the red brick mansions, courtyard and bronze ornamentation, which lends an idea of what the ancient Newari town of Kathmandu would have looked like in the older times. Bandipur was originally a part of the Magha kingdom of Tanhun, but Newari traders flooded in from Bhaktapur and Kathmandu after the conquest of the valley by Prithvi Narayan Shah of Shah dynasty. The merchants found it a safe place for trading. During the 18th century, Bandipur grew in wealth as traders came loaded from Tibet with musk pods, mountain hubs, animal skins and horses. However, when Nepal opened its doors to the world in the 1950s, Pokhara with its airfield began to gain more importance, and in 1972, the construction of Kathmandu-Pokhara highway completely bypassed Bandipur. Well, I think the route's realignment was actually a blessing in disguise, because while many Newar hill towns lost their shine and distinctiveness after joining the highway grid, Bandipur retained its originality. It's only in 2003 that Bandipur opened its doors to the world. But unlike most trading posts in the Nepal hills, Bandipur has retained its age-old cultural attributes. Talk about the temples, shrine, sacred caves, innumerable festivals and the old Newari architecture and way of life. Bandipur, with its eagle nest location, farms, and orange groves, make it for a stunning destination. I must admit, the more I explored this little town, the more I fell in love with it. Bandipur is one of my best places to visit in Nepal, and I hope it becomes one for you too. Also, please do subscribe to my channel to remain notified with my travel and wellness videos.